Alright, hey everybody, welcome back. Mikhail, what are we going to make today?
A Valentine Monster.
A Valentine's Monster. Alright, so grab your papers. You got a marker? Okay, first thing we got to do, we got to fold our paper the right way. So I'm going to do it for you, okay? First step, fold it in half. And then you're going to take this first flap and fold it up to meet the middle. Okay, Mikhail?
Okay.
And then what do? Flip it over.
Flip it over.
And fold this up.
Fold this up. And then just pop it.
And then you fold this down. And now you're ready to go. So here's, this one's for you.
Thank you.
Whatever, I gotta make me one now. You know how to draw hearts?
Yeah.
You do? Then you're gonna love this one. Hold on, we're not ready to draw hearts that low. You're not ready yet.
Yeah.
So I fold it in half again.
Half.
And then we fold it up. And then we flip it over.
Flip it over.
And then fold it up again.
Wait.
Yours is all ready to go. Fold it in half again. And then fold this back down and flip back over. Okay. I'm gonna take your marker.
Got my marker.
You ready? You ready to draw some hearts? Okay. Get your marker ready.
Why do I teeth look like that?
Okay, get your marker ready. Other side. Okay, you gotta keep this folded like this.
Cut.
And we're gonna put a dot right here and right here.
Dot.
And then one down here.
Dot.
Okay, this is where we draw our heart. Okay, watch. Watch me. I'm gonna draw a heart that goes up like this and comes back down. And then look. And then comes back over here. Comes back down. Yep. Good job! You did it! And then do another one. That's okay. You're good. And come back over and connect it. Ooh, that's a good heart! Okay, now here's the tricky part. I'm gonna have to help you with this part. I draw a line like this.
I don't want to do that.
You do? You want me to do it for you?
I can do it. You know, just do it.
Nope, you gotta draw it from right there.
Right here.
Yep. Go over, all the way over here. Oop, you gotta stay on top. And then stop right here. Keep going. Let me help you. Good job. You gotta make sure you draw a line that covers both this top and the bottom part. Oopsie, it didn't work super well. And I'll show you why. Okay, now I want to draw some eyes on him. So draw a circle right here. Good job, and then draw another one on this side. Good job. And then draw a circle inside that circle. And a circle inside the other circle.
I messed up the circle.
That's okay. And then you draw another baby circle.
Another baby circle?
You can make your eyes as big or whatever you want. Now it's Valentine's Day. Should we be doing? Oh, good job. What are you drawing there?
A heart thing on it.
Okay, good. A heart thing on a heart thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
A heart thing and a heart.
Next, we're going to open it up. Open yours up.
It looks like it's eating somebody.
It's because it's a monster. It's a Valentine's monster. Yeah. All right. First, we got to draw some teeth. Some sharp teeth. So I'm going to start down here. Start down at the bottom. Watch me. Look at the bottom. There's the bottom down here.
Here?
Yeah, look. Teeth, big old teeth. You can make them big or small. Yeah. And you go all the way across. Yeah, good job. And you go all the way to the other side. Move too far. Remember, this isn't my good. Put a little one right there. You can make them big or little.
I'm gonna do the other one small.
You do the ones at the top small.
Yeah. Can I do?
And then you gotta make sure you connect them to these little dots here. Okay, next, let's do the ones at the top. So you start in the middle. You make them big or little.
Little.
Oh, good job.
Now what? You look weird.
Okay, good job. Now we need a tongue. Oh, we were supposed to draw some teeth up here. That's okay. So we keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks good. You're doing good. All right, ready? We gotta draw a big old tongue that's gonna, like, yeah, like that. So we'll start down here. Okay, right over here.
Right here.
And we draw this, kind of almost like an S shape. Like that. Good job. And then we come over here a little bit. And do the same thing. So there's a big tongue. And now we're gonna put some stripes on it. We're gonna kind of curve up like this to try to make it look. What are you doing, Goofy? Okay, put some stripes on your tongue.
Wait, how do I do stripes?
A line across to connect them.
I don't have space for it.
Oh, you don't?
No.
What happened to it?
I accidentally did it a little small.
That's okay. Okay, there's that. Now we got to connect our lips a little bit. So you're gonna draw a line down here like this. You gotta draw a line from here all the way. So draw a line down here to that.
That to that.
Yep, and then you do it on the other side too.
That. Yeah. Wait, is that it?
Yep, good job. And then we connect them again.
I don't know how to do that.
You're doing great. You did it! You didn't say you knew how to do it. Okay, now good job, you did it. That's looking good. Now what should we put on it? Some wings?
Yeah, wait.
Because it's Valentine's Day. It's kind of like a Valentine's that flies away.
Look at this heart so well.
Oh yeah, we'll do hearts in just a minute, okay? So let's do some wings out here like this.
I'm doing them
You can do them up? Okay, you do them up. And I'm gonna do another layer of feathers. I'm gonna do it on this other side too. And then you do another layer inside of it. Like that. Now, we got the little hearts everywhere. You love drawing hearts. Draw a heart there, maybe another one over here, and maybe another couple over here. You can draw as many hearts as you want. You can make them big, make them little. And there we have it. Good job. And then you can close it and see, look. So he's like, oh, look, it's just a little cute little heart. And then you open them up, he's like, ah.
But
Oh, it looks good. Good job. Now we can color it.
then I do some turkey here.
Yes, do some more teeth. Okay, should we color them?
Yeah.
Let's color it.
But can I color it wet?
Yeah, do you want to start with this red?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to start with some pinks.
Because he's gonna have wet teeth.
You can have red teeth?
Yeah.
Oh
when he like bites it hard, they just step one.
Oh my. All right. Okay, Mikkel. Let me see how they look from above here. So we can look at the camera up there and say like, oh, look, they turned out so good. Okay, now you gotta show the camera this. You gotta close them up and say, everybody check them out. Close it up like this, no, like this. Hold it up. Hold it up so people can see it. Hold it up.
This.
And then show how it opens up. Alright, so we got our Valentines. And then it's like, oh, scary monster! Good job! Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you later, everybody. You want to say anything?
Bye.
Bye!